Hi, welcome back to Way of the Wrench and another episode of How to Become a Gearhead. And on today's very special episode, I'm going to teach you how to use a tire changer. Yeah! And we're going to take a wheel and take the tire off the rim. So, stay tuned. I'm not sure what it is these days, but people are afraid to get their hands dirty. And if you want to be a gearhead, it's what it's all about. Getting right in there, getting some tools, getting your hands dirty, crawling underneath the vehicle and fixing that oil leak, etc. So, remember, dirty hands makes clean money, yo. So I'm gonna get some coveralls on and I'm gonna show you how to do this tire in real time. So I'm gonna change this tire in real time, show you how long it takes, roughly a minute or two. And that way you get to look at the whole process again, but more from a point of view where you step back and watching someone do the whole thing rather than getting interrupted with all the theory in between. there's another video from Way of the Wrench on how to become a gearhead, this time on how to use a basic tire changer in your automotive shop. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you just want to brag about how fast you can change a tire, put it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you right away. And if you want any behind the scenes content, we are on Instagram, Way of the Wrench. And until next time, take it easy.